Hello, my name is Donovan Andrew Lowe and I am from Vredendal, South Africa. For the past 14 years I've worked at Beringman Group, where I gained extensive experience in internal sales, warehouse operations, stock control, customer service and mechanical products. My work has also included assembling and repairing PTO shafts, working with conveyor systems, hydraulic hoses and seals, electric motors, gearboxes, bearings, agricultural chains and sprockets, and using a wide range of hand and power tools. Alongside my full-time job, I have been gaining practical farming experience under the guidance of farmer Paul Botha. I have learned to operate John Deere tractors, including the 6150M and the 4450, pull implements and basic crop knowledge, and work safely around agricultural equipment. I continue to expand my knowledge and will also be training on larger John Deere tractors equipped with GPS guidance systems. I am a hardworking and reliable and quick learner who enjoys working outdoors and is part of a team. I take pride in following safety procedures, being punctual and completing every task to a high standard. I am physically fit, willing to work long hours and eager to learn new skills. I am excited for the opportunity to work on a farm in the United States where I can contribute my mechanical knowledge, farming experience and strong work ethic while continuing to grow both personally and professionally. Thank you for your time and consideration.